we're getting close to finishing my freaking bike, guys. I'm excited. I'm freaking excited. Here. Pariah Avian platform pedals. Pros. These are the pros, my people. The pros. I didn't put this in a big old box. Doesn't it cost money to put it in a big old box? And put these big old pieces of paper in here? Anyway, guys. Avian Pariah pedals. Okay? They got black, red, minis, pros, purple, and blue. Oh my goodness. Good Lord, have mercy. Good Lord. Look at these. Look at these beautiful pedals, my peeps. So, you already know, we use the Red Devil grease. This will be the right pedal. So that would be on this side. It doesn't take much, guys. It's just a freaking dab. Just a dab. Just a dab in there. See that? Just a dab. So I'm gonna take the right. How you know if it's right or left? I just saw it. Always make sure you put these on correctly. There's an R right there. R. Let me take a picture of these for the gram real quick. For the gram real quick. Sorry, I don't have my chest mount on today. Okay, let's post that. Okay, I'm gonna post it right now. Bam, baby. Anyway, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram at GNChell. GNChell on Instagram. Alright, so right side, I forgot if they go. Always put like some kind of grease or anti-seize on your pedals, because you don't want these to get stuck, guys. That would not be good. These got stuck. Okay, that's one. Just a dab in there. Not much, doesn't take much. Just a dab. Just a dab. But yeah, Red Devil, this is the good stuff. Red Devil grease. This would be the left. It'll say L right there. Get my wrench. So I hold the camera twist this at the same time. It's not working. Dude, these pedals are sick, bro. Sick. Alright, let me go get a wrench. Alright, guys. I was moving a little bit too fast and almost forgot your washers. Do not forget your washers. Very important. Very important. You will mess up your cranks, okay? If you don't put your washers on there. You'll screw them up. Just want to get them snug. You don't need to crank down on these things. It's like a good turn. That's it. So fresh. Alright, guys. Repeat that step for the other side. Should be here this week. Crank. That's it, guys. See ya.